Yes, y'all. These are my fly transformers. Yes, y'all. Love these transformers. It's got all the armor, legs, arms, 100% complete. Not transformed yet. I got another one. This one which I transformed, that I do transform. This one I don't transform yet. I like to keep it, I don't like to break these transformers, which I do sometimes. So I don't transform some of them. As you know, White Devastator. My craze for this Devastator back in the days. And they made a KO White. And I do like that. White Devastator. Earwolf. Masterpiece Vortex. I gotta transform this into robot mode. It's been in vehicle mode a long time. Yes, you got me a mini Robotech SD super deformed mini Robotech figure. This is my reissue Phoenix, Fansway's Phoenix. Tiger! Love that. Tiger! Yes, y'all. I got my KO Masterpiece, Transcend Sunseeker. They are alright. I don't play with them too much. I'm not too much of a fan of these, but they're not bad in the collection. Got my G1 over here, but this is my favorite, my oversized Masterpiece collection. Megatron, nice KO, diecast. Articulated ratchets, very happy with this. Ab crunch, all of that. Nice paint. Get my Masterpiece Blastoff figure. The Masterpiece Decepticons. Tiger, tiger. Tiger. Oversized Ironhide. Choo-choo. Ironhide. Choo-choo, choo-choo. Love to see this every day. The oversized truck, oversized Optimus Prime Masterpiece. This is my Soundwave KO, not even real. I can't afford the real Masterpiece figures, but I can get the oversized and the KO. Love this toy. Nice wheels. Yes, yes, y'all. This is my vintage 2017 Skyfire. This is Inferno. Yes, yes, y'all. Still rocking out with Transformers. Still enjoy this collection. KO Wheeljack. Oversized Lambo, oversized Sideswipe. G.I. Joe Tiger Force Frostbite. This was sealed and from 1980s, and I opened it. It's mint condition, perfect condition. Check out Bumblebee, oversized. I'm really happy with this. I don't think the latest new stuff they have out is not as good. Starscream. There's the Spike figure. I don't like the newest release. This is, I think, better. So I don't think it's that smart to buy the newest stuff yet. There you have it, the Masterpiece collection. Starscream. Unique Toys, Ragnaros, Bruticus. Tiger, tiger. Choo-choo. Tiger. These are all the vintage G1. My favorites, out of all the Transformers, my favorite is the Robotech, Macross, Jetfire. But I love them all, but that was number one. Yes, y'all. Thanks for checking out my Transformers. Rocking out with me. Toy hunting. Toy collecting. And feel very lucky to be able to have all these cool Transformers.